Hi boys and girls, so here were our fractions that we had to turn into decimals. So some of you might look at them and say, oh, I already know this one, 1/10, can be written as 0.1, or you could also have 0.1. Okay, so some of these should be starting to become familiar. If not, I remember this morning in the video I said you could think of it as 1/4 of 100. And you could multiply and get 100 divided by 4, which is 25. And then you can just turn that into a decimal. Okay, so this one would be 25 hundredths. The other thing you could do is turn the fraction into an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 10 or 100. So you could take 1/5 and do times 2/2 is 2/10, which is 0.2. Okay. I'm going to skip 4/8 for right now. I'll come right back to it. So 7/20, like I said, you could turn it to have a denominator of 10 or 100. So this one, I'll show you how to change it to have a denominator of 100. Okay. 20 goes into 100 5 times. So we have 35 hundredths. Okay. Which equals 0.35. All right, let's talk about 4/8. 4/8, if you look at it and compare the numerator to the denominator, it's really a half, right? And a lot of kids I know from class and seeing your work in class are starting to recognize that 1/2 can just be written as 0.5. Or, you can have that 0 there. All right, so we're going to have more of these this week because next week we're going to be doing some work with fractions and decimals.